Hi, this is Deb. I'm one of the librarians here at MCC and the librarian in your course, and I'm here to talk to you about finding reference and background information for your organism and disease research project. I'm starting in Canvas so I can point out to you this link, MCC Library Resources, which is in the menu for all of your Canvas courses and opens library materials that are matched to your course. So in this case, the biology guide. You can navigate through the guide in the same way that you would on our homepage, but we've embedded it here so that you don't have to go looking for it. You could get to all of our guides by taking this link on our homepage. It's at the top, Research Guides, and there you can find all of the guides. So on the homepage of the biology guide, we have a search box that limits to the science resources in Credo, which is one of our reference databases. I'm going to look for Hansen's disease. So what I mean by reference databases is this contains reference materials, which are encyclopedias, dictionaries, handbooks, the kinds of sources that have edited collections of entries that give general information about a wide range of topics. One of the features of Credo for many topics, although not all, is a mind map of related terms. This can be helpful because you can find keywords that you haven't thought of yourself that you could do additional research on. If we click on the article that's recommended, it brings up another list of related articles and related search terms. You can click on any of these to see additional information. Just use the back button to return to the article that you were reading. In order to get the citation, you can click on the Cite button or go to the end of the article and find the guide, the style that you need, and copy and paste that. Another helpful tool is this share button where you can email the article to yourself in full text with the citation format that you want, or it says print PDF. You can also save a PDF to your computer. So that's Credo, a reference database. Of course, another source of background information is an internet search. You might Google. I'm using DuckDuckGo, which is like Google, but with more privacy protections. One of the first things you might notice is a Wikipedia article. Wikipedia is really helpful for the same reason any encyclopedia article is helpful. It can give you additional search terms. So by reading this introduction, we can learn some basic things about leprosy, such as the name of the bacteria, or the fact that there are two types of the disease. And we can use these terms that we find here to search in library databases or to do another internet search. So don't overlook Wikipedia. It's also a good source of images. There are a number of images in this entry, photographs, drawings, and other illustrations. So Wikipedia is a decent place to start. And you know that at the end of a Wikipedia article, there's a list of references. There could be other good sources here as well. For example, here's a link to a World Health Organization fact sheet that probably has the kind of information that is shared with the general population, which is another aspect of your assignment. So Wikipedia can be very helpful to you. Another one of our results was the Hansen's disease entry at the Centers for Disease Control. This is going to be another very important source for you throughout your career as a health professional, really. The Centers for Disease Control has all kinds of great information. We'll go into more about what's on their site in another video, but you can click into these different sections and open the information. Now, they don't have a citation button, so I just want to point out that that is one of the tabs in your biology guide, citing sources. And you can open a PDF here, or again, on the library homepage. We link to this right on the home page because citation is such a common question. Same guide. So you open that PDF, and we have some examples of some of the most frequently asked about citation citation types. So here's a web page with an author and a web page without an author. So there's examples there for you to refer to. And of course, lots of other resources in our citation guide or here in your biology guide under citation. If you open one of these other sources, you can find lots of examples of all kinds of things that you might need to cite. So that's an internet search and a reference search. And the last thing I'll show you is that you can do a search right on the library's homepage in this OneSearch box, which searches all of our sources. We'll go more in depth into OneSearch in another video where I'm going to talk about finding evidence-based information for health professionals. You always should get that yellow ribbon at the top that asks you to sign in. I'm already signed in via Canvas, so it just automatically signs me in. If I weren't in Canvas, the box would pop up asking me to enter my easy login information. If you have any trouble with that, you can open this Ask a Librarian chat box, or you can, on our homepage, get in touch with us. If you can send us a screenshot of the error, that helps us get IT assistance with the login issue. But our first result here is a research starter, and that is going to also be from a reference source. So as we scroll down, you can see the article contains a lot of the kinds of information that was available in the Credo sources. And here you can use the cite button again or email the information to yourself. So that's 3 ways to get background information for your assignment. Again, using the reference database that's available to you right in Canvas behind this button, MCC Library Resources, doing a search on the internet, or searching on the library's homepage. And for citation or any other help, please don't hesitate to contact us in all of the ways located on our homepage. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you'll reach out to me, especially with any questions through your Canvas course.